Hey, this is Jim from His Nature Farm, and I want to welcome you back. It's been a little bit. We've been kind of busy. It's summer, but also we have a lot going on here at His Nature Farm. But for this section, I want to show you a quick review, if you've ever had a question, about one of these combo washer and dryers. That's right, it's a combination washing machine and dryer in one unit. The first thing I want to talk to you about is why. Why did I buy one of these? Do I just have endless money? No. But I don't have endless power. And that was one of the main reasons. So when you use a regular dryer in particular, it's basically a resistance type heating coil in the dryer. And you plug that thing into your 220 and you watch the lights dim. That thing will just suck power. This thing, check this out, right here. That's it. It plugs into a 120 volt plug for both the washing machine and the dryer. As well, which is really cool, it also doesn't have a dryer vent. I don't know how it works, to be honest with you, where it goes, but it doesn't work. It does have a vent, a lint trap right here. It's got one, but I don't know where the lint goes. So it's kind of amazing. That's the main reason why we bought it. So we got it a couple of days ago. We hooked it up, plugged it in, typical, nothing crazy, just plug it in the wall, your water attachment, your drain, and that's it. And we started using it. Now, the way it works is, let me turn this on for you. You can kind of see. For one, of course, nowadays everything is Wi-Fi enabled, and this is no exception. It is completely Wi-Fi enabled. Okay, so as far as the operation goes, if you take a look at the screen here, it's pretty simple. It does. You have wash only, dry only, wash only, or you can do both. So what it'll do, it'll cycle through, it'll first wash your clothes, then it'll go right into the dry cycle. It takes about, so far, takes about 2 hours to do one full load. And it's a pretty big size basin inside there. Pretty large, and you put a load of laundry in there, and in about 2 hours it'll wash it and then dry it. Now, one of the things that I was really pleasantly surprised about, sometimes I've gotten some of these and when you get them, they come out and the clothes are damp. Not this thing. This thing is not damp at all. I don't know how it works exactly. I think it's kind of like a heat pump system, the way the hot water heater is here. So I think that's kind of how it works, but it came out totally dry several times, and it worked great. You can take a look here. It's got a little light. You turn it on, the light comes on, so you can put your laundry in there. If you see, it's a big tub inside there, okay? And it also has some other really cool features. One is this liquid detergent. So you put your detergent in here. You can either do it by the load, or you can do it with one large amount of detergent. So you could put up to 50 ounces in here at one time. And then it dispenses the detergent automatically. You don't have to keep putting it in every single time. Same thing with fabric softener. It does the same thing. It's got a dispenser. And you can increase it or decrease it as necessary. With the app, and even with the screen, you can increase the amount of dry time. You can increase the amount of soap, fabric softener. You can, of course, they have this wrinkle-free setting where if you can't get to the clothes, every now and then it'll kind of turn it so they don't get wrinkled. It does all sorts of things. One of the great things too with the app, and I'm sure a lot of these do it, but it lets you know when the cycle is done. Other than that, as far as power, it's amazing. When you look at the solar use, and that's again the main reason why we got it, when you look at the solar use, it was really minimal. It was like literally having a refrigerator on, which is not very much at all. I think it maybe uses 1,000 to 1,200 watts. When it's in dry mode, maybe a little more, which is unheard of. If you use a regular dryer with a resistance heating element, I'm guessing that thing is drawing 3,000, 4,000 watts. But this thing is using 1,200 probably at most. And I can tell because I look at my app for the solar. So that's one reason why I got it. I really didn't want that. The other thing is, it's one machine. If you look at the size of the machine, it is only a little taller than the average machine, but it's the same width. It's about 29 inches wide, about 4 inches deep. It's a little heavier than the average unit, not much though. And other than that, it just takes up a lot less space. Now, as far as price, you're gonna ask me that. Well, it is quite a bit more. It isn't crazy, but it runs about $2,000 for this unit. Good washer and dryer set is probably gonna set you back $1,800, $1,700. I'm sure you can get less than that. And if you have a large family, this is what's great about it. If you have a really large family and you have the means, you can get 2 of these units, put them side by side, plug them into 120 volts, and you're doing twice as much laundry. And it's amazing. So far, I've had no problems with it whatsoever. There's been maybe 1 or 2 updates. That's the only thing I've seen. And it works really good at this stage. Now, it could change, and if it does, I will, of course, give you an update on it. But if you're considering something like this, I consider this really good. Where I got it, I actually got this from Home Depot. The price was a little less on Amazon. I'm going to put a link in the comments section because I think you're going to want to maybe get it there. So it was pretty good. Now, I did get the extended service plan. Typically, I do not get extended service plans. It was $295, but this is such a new machine, a new technology. I was like, I don't trust it. I didn't know. I mean, I had good reviews, but you never know with this new technology. So I was like, I'm gonna get a 3-year service contract. And I did do that. So it brought it up a little bit, 24, 23 and change. So anyway, this is my review. Again, it's a GE Profile Combo. And there's not many of them out there, but it's a good looking machine. I think you really will like it. It's got a 10-year warranty on the machine itself, a manufacturer's warranty. Other than that, it's a great unit. It really is, and I wanted you to know about it. So if you're conscious about power, you're conscious about space, and you really want to move up to the next level, I think this is it. So as far as whether or not you want to get one of these, first thing I want to say to you in closing is that, I don't care political leanings or anything else. Sometimes we get crazy, we take sides, and we have our tribes. I tend to look at what works from my situation. And if it's a good technology, I don't care. If it's a good technology and it's going to work, particularly with conserving power when I'm on solar and batteries are a fortune and my solar power is important, particularly on those cold, long winter nights, I'm going to look at something that's really going to conserve power. And so far, this washing machine have been great choices. I really think that if you're conscious of these things like I am, that you may really appreciate getting one of these. I can only vouch for it for the couple days that I've had it, but it's done a great job for us. So anyway, just want to thank you for joining us. And also remember, we are not sponsored by this. Nobody has given me this. I had to pay for this with cold hard cash. And look for coming up. We have a bunch of stuff coming up in the pipeline as far as videos and updates about what's going on. So again, thanks for joining us. This is Jim from His Nature Farm.